So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you're single.
Your man is in a DM and in my DM. You're dating dustbin.
This school want to choke me. I'm currently going to the island to meet up with a friend just to help her create content, and then maybe go to the beach, maybe not. And then I also want to test out this bad boy because I haven't like gotten a proper shoot or shot from it. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys and open this vlog properly. I'll see you guys when I get to my friends. Okay, bye guys. I haven't gone to campus yet. I haven't gone to school at all. I've just been trying to figure out how to organize this room because I find that I know that like if it's not organized, there's nothing I can't read here, I can't do nothing. So I've basically been like fixing this room since morning, you guys, like from 8 o'clock, 7 even. I woke up by like 7, so I started by like 7:30ish. From fixing this fan, successfully did that. That's the first time I ever fixing a flat. Like if you know me, you know that I hate fixing things. Like I hate it with passion. So after fixing, I fixed like under my bed, my boxes, my clothes. Then I put up my wall art. I set up this hanger, swept and mopped some parts, and honestly I'm done for today. So on today's agenda, I am going to the airport to pick up my friend. Oh, she left sometime this year, like some 4 months ago or 5 months. She's coming back today because school has resumed, and yeah, I'm going to pick her up, and then I have to lose my hair as well. So tomorrow I have a shoot, so I can't go with this hair. So by the time I go to the airport and come back and lose this hair, and I'm already tired, so I'm just giving this intro so you guys know what's up. I won't have time to come here to talk again. I have not arranged my table, still scattered, a terrible mess. I can't even show you guys. Like everywhere is still very messed up. The kitchen, the bathroom, everywhere is still messed up, honestly. I'm just going to lay my bed, so at least when I come back I see somewhere to lie down and sleep. I haven't been sleeping here. I go back on Saturday. I've not just been sleeping here. So I'll sleep in today and we will go from there. Is there something else I want to update you guys on? Oh, nothing. My project, school has me on chokehold, but we'll survive. I just came here to update you guys. I am leaving now to go and shower and get dressed. My other friend Nisha is picking me up, so we'll go to the airport together, pick her, then come back, lose these braids, go for my shoot tomorrow, come back, and then continue organizing this room, because this is not a day's work and it is not even one person's work. So since I'm just one, I have to share myself different days. I'll probably be done with this room maybe on Thursday or Friday, but this is just going to be this week's vlog. I'm talking too much again, I know. I'm just going to end this now and go and have a very cold shower, dress up, and move. All right.
So many times that I miss you.
I swear. This is going for where to sit down. Because the sun. The sun. Trust fund, baby!
Obviously,
Because it's hot in this motherfucker.
Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you're single. Slow down, only you the ginger, the whole town. Slow it sometime. Go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you. But I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway.
Hi guys. So I've been having a hell of a week. Oh my god. So I just came here to give you guys another update. I think last time I spoke to you guys was on Monday, when I was still like, when I was going to the airport to see my friend, to pick up my best friend actually. So she came back on Monday, so we went home with her, actually Michelle and I. So we went home with her. Then, you know, I told you guys I had a shoot the next day, right? You see that shoot that I was supposed to do with these braids? I did it with these braids, so you guys, and this hair looks so tacky, but like we found a way around it, like with edge control, with makeup and everything. It came out fine. But then again, I did not see road to even vlog because I was so tired, you guys. So from Monday, went to her house, came back. I left very early on Tuesday morning just to meet up with my shoot, and yikes, I got back by like my shoot was supposed to be for 9 o'clock. I got there by 11, past 11, but then they just had to do the shoots either way. So after that, I got back yesterday, continued like organizing my stuff, you guys. Oh my god, if I could employ somebody to do this for me, trust me, I would. But who am I gonna employ to go through my stuff and go through my shit? And nah, no. So I've just been organizing, and really I like to organize my things by myself, but like it's just been a lot. I'm like, how do I have all these properties, and then each time I want to go out, I'm looking for clothes, I'm looking for things to wear. Why? So that's just it though, that's just it. But I also came here to do a tiny little haul with you guys. Why do I keep saying tiny little? Oh good. Anyways, I came here to do a tiny haul with you guys. These are things that I have been getting over time, not with my money though, but like they're mine. So I just came here to unbox with you guys and like do a haul. We're not unboxing anything, we're just doing a haul. Okay, so about school, those people there, over there, they are after my life. They are after my life, but my god is bigger than them. As for today's agenda, I have a class by 11, and then I have another one by 3, and then I have a meeting by 2, and then I have to meet up my friend by 1-ish. Yeah, 1 by 1. Yeah, I have to meet up my friend. So once I'm done in class, meet up with my friend, then go back to science, my meeting, then go back to the lab for the class, and then that's about that for today. But honestly, you guys, time is already 10 o'clock a.m. and I don't know if I can meet up with that class by 11 o'clock. Honestly, I do not know, but if I cannot meet up with that one, then I'll just get into school by 1 and then go on with the other stuff I have to do for today. I just have someone to stand attendance for me. So let's just get started with this haul. First of all, we're going to start with this. This is a blue cut lens. So this is what it looks like. I really like it. I really like it. Let me put some for you guys. So anyways, you can see the blue cut. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this blue cut basically protects your eyeballs against light. I don't have any eye defect or anything, no, but this, my brother got this for me. Actually, my dad does this. How do I explain it for it to make sense? So my dad imports and exports lenses, and that's the business. That's my family business, right? So so this blue cut lens, they just like help me frame it and do all those ceramic things, and then brought from there. See, I've been posting this thing, like I posted it to the point that when I started editing, tears started gushing out from my eyes and all of that stuff. So I knew it was time to stop procrastinating and get this shit, because why am I killing myself when they can just get it for me in my house? Next thing here is this. So these are Nike trainers. Hold on. So this is a Nike Flex trainer. I don't know if you guys can see that here. I love the sole. Like, I live for this. Can't wait to run with this. Anyways, the next thing is this slides. I really love the color. I really love the colors. You guys see, it is so cute. Can you see this? See the sole? I love it. Then I got these shorts. These very comfortable shorts. I've been looking to get this in Nigeria, but my friends just got them for me. And who am I to reject a gift? We don't do that around here. Then I got this. This is for the beach, of course. You can just wear this with a bikini or this with a short, and you know, yeah. And then this two-piece. This is my favorite, all-time favorite stuff I got. Like, I think this is my favorite stuff in this haul. And then these slides, yeah, these two, I love them. And then these bags here that I'm here to show you guys. So this is a two-piece, the trouser and the top. So there's nobody here to help me like zip it up or anything, so I can't really show you guys what it's like. Maybe I'll just wear the trouser and show you guys. Then this right here, here's my scissors. So if you didn't know, I really like bags, footwear, shoes, slides, whatever. So the first one is this black bag. Can you see this? This is premium leather. But yeah, that's what the inside looks like. There are about how many compartments? 1, 2, and then this little one inside. That's 3 compartments. I love it a lot. I love the color. I like the material. Can you guys see how, like, I love bags a lot. And then this, I live for the color of this bag, like the chocolate brown. I wanted to get this in black, but I'm like, I have plenty black bags and I don't have anyone in this color. I mean, I have brown bags too, but I think this one here is the same color. This one is the same color with this, almost the same, but it's a mix. Like, that one is mixed and this one isn't. But and this one is a lot bigger than it. So I really love it. And yeah, let's see this. I love it. This one has 3 compartments as well. Right, guys, and it has like a longer hand. Hold on. So I can make this one, or I can decide to pad it this way. Obviously going to pad this way. Yeah. Now who don't chop the sea road go school, okay? They're not gonna kill me for my mama. My mama say make I take her small. Okay, bye. I'm not a tout or anything, no. I'm actually okay. Bye guys. Bye guys.
You don't cost, last. Now everybody go chop breakfast. Shy yeah, you go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I dey win by default and without any doubt, mommy, I be adult, I no go fit take your insult, on my mind as you dey talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble.
Guys, so I'm sitting outside. I'm going through a lot today, first of all, but I just met a subscriber. Say hi. You guys, so I met a subscriber, and now, see, yeah, I've had a day. I've been waiting for this guy to deliver my power bank for the past 3 hours, and he's been telling me, I'm coming, this, that, those. Anywho, I'm just going to, I'm walking to class now. I'm very late, very late. A 3 o'clock class and it's already 4 o'clock and I'm still not there. I don't even know if I'm going to the class or if I'm just going to or if I'm not going to go and get like the materials I need. I say, come on, remove your hand. You people look at my mates while I'm still carrying.
That is guys.
I don't give a damn. You guys see my baby? They're both suffering together. No. Say hi. You guys, so I think it's time to close this vlog. It's been a vloggy vlog and I don't know if it's too long, but I'm going to try to make it less than 40 minutes because I know that it's been more than 3 hours of vlogging and I'm about to like crop that down. But essentially I just finished filming my research routine for November, and so let's just end this vlog right now, right here. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next vlog or the next video I decide to put out, and until then, bye guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for premium content. Now that I'm back in school, I'll be giving you guys hot. Okay, all right guys, bye.